Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix pending download issue on Google Play Store. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, sometimes you click on install to install an app and you're facing pending download options. It doesn't start, it starts downloading and it remains on pending download. So to fix it, you'll have to navigate to the settings of your Android, and then you'll have to scroll down and tap on app section and then click on Google Play Store. Now once you're on this page, first of all you'll have to click on force stop and then click on OK, then go to storage and cache, then clear cache, and then at the last click on clear storage and hit delete. And now if you'll go back to the Google Play Store, you'll not face that problem anymore and you'll be able to download apps without any other problem. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Check कर गब्बरू दी पोटी चेक कर
भाई
गाना सुना गब्बरू दी पोटी गाना सुना
इतनी भाई मम्मा कह रही है दुकान खोलो 4 हो
ये
गई
पकड़ो अच्छा ये ले जाओ